My name is Richard Wydia, and I'm the CEO of LandArt. LandArt is a design and build landscape company. It's kind of servicing the high-end residential market. We service kind of anywhere from Niagara to Burlington, and we take our projects from kind of concept or idea and build out landscape projects, including pools, gardens, walls, patios, and bringing them from a start to finish state for our clients to enjoy for a long time. The main focus of our business would be creating peace of mind in residential construction. We think that construction has a bit of a bad rap for reliability and cost increases and things like that. We want to make sure that we're being transparent and clear with our customers, creating projects that look beautiful, that last for a long time, and kind of dealing with everything from start to finish, the design, all the nitty-gritties of permits, utilities, plantings, and leaving with a project that they can manage and they can enjoy for a long time. The thing that sets us apart is doing as many things and bringing in as many different components of a project to be managed under one umbrella. My favorite part of running / having the business, I think, is probably become the people. I enjoy kind of building these projects for our clients, seeing these visions come to kind of reality, being able to design them, construct them, and see them kind of mature and become even more beautiful. Our connection to the Lincoln community is somewhat limited and new, if I'm honest. We've been in Lincoln for the 13 years that we've been in business, and we've enjoyed it. We've grown here. We started in Camden, moved to Beamsville, another location in Beamsville, and we've recently purchased this office here off of Bartlett Road in Beamsville, and we've enjoyed it. We like the wine community. We like the access to St. Catharines and Hamilton and Burlington. It seems to be kind of a functioning hub for accessing a lot of different spaces. And so we're excited to see the growth in Lincoln and excited to continue to be a part of that.